Reproduction in plants. Reproduction. This word is made up of two words, re and production. Reproduction means the production of a new individual from the already existing individual. In case of plants, reproduction is of two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now, the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is that in asexual reproduction, only one parent is involved, while in case of sexual reproduction, two individuals are involved, one is male and other is female. In asexual reproduction, there is no formation of gametes and there is no fertilization also. While in case of sexual reproduction, gamete formation and fertilization takes place. In case of asexual reproduction, variations are not produced, so the offsprings are exactly similar to the parent. While in case of sexual reproduction, variations are produced, so the offsprings are not the exact copies of their parents. Now in this chapter, we will study about different type of asexual reproduction that takes place in plants. Number 1 is binary fission. Number 2, budding. Number 3, spore formation. And number 5, vegetative propagation. So we will study all these one by one. Let us see binary fission. Binary means two. Fission means dividing. So in binary fission, the parent organism divides into two parts and each part gives rise to a new individual. It takes place in amoeba. This is amoeba cell. So in case of amoeba, first of all, the nucleus divides to form two nuclei. Then the cytoplasm also divides, and from one cell, two cells are formed. These are called daughter cells and they give rise to the new individual. In case of Chlamydomonas, one cell is divided into many parts and each part give rise to a new individual. So such type of fission is called multiple fission. So two type of fissions are there, binary fission and multiple fission. Chlamydomonas develops a protective covering when the conditions are not favorable. This protective covering is called cyst. So this cyst protects the individual from unfavorable conditions, and when the conditions become favorable, this cyst ruptures and all the daughter cells come out and grow into the new individual. Second type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Budding is a process in which a small outgrowth develops on the body of individual. It grows there for some time and after that it detaches from the parent body and gives rise to a new individual. This type of reproduction takes place in yeast. You can see here a outgrowth is developed. This outgrowth is called bud, right? Now this bud grows here and after some time it detaches from the body and give rise to the another individual. Next type is fragmentation. Fragmentation means dividing into fragments or pieces. It takes place in algae that is called Spirogyra. It is a filamentous algae. It has filamentous body. So these filaments break down into different pieces or fragments and each fragment give rise to a new individual. Next type of reproduction is called spore formation. Spore formation is generally seen in case of fungus. Fungi reproduce by this method that is called spore formation. Now this is an example given of fungus showing spore formation. Body of fungus is made up of hypha. These are horizontal hyphas and they form a mycelium. Now some of the hypha grows vertically. These vertical hyphas are called sporangiophores. On sporangiophores you can see some round structures on the top. These are called sporangia, and inside these sporangia spores are formed. Spores are also meant to pass the unfavorable conditions, and when the conditions become favorable, they give rise to the new individual.